In this video, we're going to basically open that DWG file we exported from Illustrator and check the units and scale it up. So we're seeing real scale in the model space. So let's open building 5.dwg. Okay, let's just zoom and pan and check out this scale bar down here that says 40 feet. So let's type in dist to check out the length of the scale bar. So let's click on the endpoint and snap to the other endpoint. It says 2 units. So we don't really know if it means 2 inches or 2 feet. So we type in units and it says decimal. So let's specify architectural for an architecture drawing like this, and then leave inches as the insertion scale and just hit OK. So now let's just do dist again and snap to one endpoint and another. Now we know it says 2 inches. So going from 2 inches to 40 feet, we'll have to scale this up by 240 times. So let's just do zoom extend right here. And then you can wheel back a little bit to zoom out even further, and we'll just type in scale. And then do a selection window, clicking left side, releasing, and click on right side to include everything in the window. And now we're going to right click, and then it's going to let us specify the base point. It's okay to just use the origin right now, 0, 0, 0. And then the scale factor we just calculated is 240. Hit enter. Now we can't see anything, so whenever you lose sight of what you just worked on, you can just click on the zoom extend button right here to see the whole thing. So now let's just check on the length of the scale bar again. Click on the endpoint and another endpoint, so it shows 40 feet. And so that indicates how right now this drawing is in a real scale in the model space, and that's what we want. So in the next video, we'll go over how to clean up this drawing and put different features on different layers so it's ready to be brought into the base map AutoCAD file as an external reference.